What's the meaning of buddleia? Buddleia. Buddleia.
Buddleia. Buddleia. Buddleia refers to a genus of flowering plants that are commonly known as butterfly bushes. These shrubs are popular among gardeners due to their attractive appearance and ability to attract butterflies and other pollinators. The flowers of the buddleia plant typically bloom in summer and come in a range of colors, including purple, pink, white, and red. Due to their hardiness and ability to thrive in a variety of soil types and climates, they are widely cultivated around the world. However, it should be noted that some species of buddleia can become invasive and may require careful management to prevent them from spreading too aggressively.